What's up? What's up? All right, we got to change of plans. Due to some unfortunate circumstances, Randy couldn't make it. I'm considering holding the motor for him. I may just charge him rent. We'll figure it out. Clarence is here. Engine's coming out regardless. We're doing it a little early. I wanted today to do some more of the preparatory work to make it easier, but all that's off the car is the header and the fuse box is disconnected. So we're about to do everything else to get it out. Car's halfway out of the garage, so we got plenty of room to work. And see you on the other side. I told this dude, let's take a break. I'm hungry, man. He wants me to starve.
Yeah, pretty much.
My feet. Yeah. Holy god damn it, I got it. Dude. Yeah, buddy. There it goes. Make sure there's tension on the motor. There's nothing holding it. Oh, wait. Okay. You're getting out from under here? Okay. I gotta do some Evel Knievel shit to get out. It's about to come out. Peace out. Good?
Keep going, keep going. Go a little more. Okay. All right, go ahead.
Yeah. We just pulled the engine in about, what, 5.5 hours? I don't think we were as efficient as we could have been because both of us haven't done this in a long time. But I think we did pretty good.
Yeah, for sure.
Tomorrow we're going to clean up the bay a little bit and push the car back in the garage. We pushed it out in the driveway. But here's the engine. Good old single cam with a blown head gasket. Hopefully that's going home to Randy. We'll see what happens. All right, engine is out. We went to bed pretty late last night. Got up pretty early. Been running some errands. Went over to Honda, trying to see like what they still carry for these 90s cars. They don't carry much. We're gonna clean the engine bay, prop it open, probably take the hood off and spray everything down and pressure wash it. But dude, we didn't lose any bolts. We ran into some issues with the driver's side axle, the T-bracket bolt in the back. Actually, I'll show you guys. This one right here was the biggest pain in the ass of the entire removal of this engine. That bolt did not want to come out, but I got it. And everything else went according to plan. So what do you think? Any thoughts?
Let's jump right into this car because I'm pretty excited to start cleaning this.
I am too. Let's do it. Should have done before and after, but god damn, that bitch just got real clean. Dude, that wasn't even silver, that was black. I don't know that I'm gonna repaint the bay. Seems like I could spend better use of my time doing something else. Man, that cleaned up nice. All right, so the engine bay it's not perfect, but it's clean. We pressure washed it. I wiped down and agitated the grime with purple power degreaser. Like I said, next is gonna be suspension. I'm probably gonna be moving in a few months, so I think I'm just gonna start stacking parts, get everything figured out how I wanna do it, and then wait. Because right now it's a rolling shell, so I can tow it and it's fine. If I start taking apart stuff, if things don't go exactly how I need them to, I'm gonna be in a pickle. One thing I'm trying to figure out right now is this car has a power steering rack right there. I don't necessarily have to keep it. There's ways to retain it with doing this engine swap that I'm gonna do, but it requires a lot of modification, and primarily because the accessories are on this side. So where the power steering pump used to be on that side. A little bit different. I definitely want air conditioning. It's very hot in Texas, so I went ahead and pulled the AC lines out. I taped up the port where they were, because I'm gonna have to get different lines. They make a custom kit to retain AC. The tricky part is if I delete power steering and I put a manual rack in there, then it kind of saves me a lot of clunkiness in the engine bay. I'll be able to remove all of these power steering lines right here, but at the same time, it's a little harder to steer the car. So it's a give and take, and it's less money. If I do that, I don't have to spend as much money in the end. So I'll keep you guys updated. For now, me and Clarence are going to go catch up, and I'll keep you guys updated as I move forward with the suspension.